OneTrapEnt Est. Subscribe.
Welcome guys. Today we have our Blue Life XL and it's FRP locked, and we want to get around it. By some chance you forgot your password or anything like that, you need to get around it. As you could see, as it says right here, this device was reset to be to continue. Sign in with your Google account that was previously synced on this device, which you probably forgot it or anything like that. So here's the procedure to go around it. So first, you'd have to put a chip in your phone. If you activate your phone with a chip or anything, you got to use another phone. Come on. Okay, so I'll call this number. I'll call this number. You follow the procedure. Just follow me. Okay, it's calling. So you will answer. Right, answer. Then you click that. Add a number. You can hang up the phone right now. Once you hang up the phone, then you will type this code in: star pound key star pound key 4636 pound key star, and it give you this option. Then you press battery information. Then you want to just navigate back, and you go into settings, where you'll find, if you doesn't see developer option right here, you will go into your phone setting, go down to build number, and you will tap this 7 times and it will activate your developer mode. So you go into this, then you want to just navigate to OEM unlocking. If you want to just tap that, enable that, enable this as well. That's good for now. You just want to just navigate back, navigate backwards, go forward. If this doesn't work, what you need to do is go back, follow the same procedure. Don't get discouraged now, just follow the same procedure. Bring back your number. Answer, and hang up the phone. Go back, star pound key 4636 pound key star. Go back, navigate. You just wanna go to backup and reset. You just wanna factory reset the phone. It's resetting your phone, so let it do its thing. For some user, this might take a while to come up, but you gotta just be patient and wait for it to come up. So just wait for it. Just wait for it. Won't take too long. Okay, there we go. So here it is. Now we just follow the procedure. You might want to just skip that. Skip anyways. Skip. And as you can see, we are going through. Skip anyways. I just want to just navigate down. Next. And there we go. Voila. You're in your phone. Your phone is fully unlocked. FRP removed.
OneTrapEnt. Subscribe.